Hello everyone, welcome to this milestone 6 introduction. So long time ago I didn't push code to this tutorial, so I hope at least some of you still motivate. So what we're gonna do in this milestone is gonna be just about like adding a new feature, like a tagging system. But before talking about this, I just want to say then the other video, like example, we have done the comment feature and thing like that. I don't gonna show how to like a comment. Why I didn't do this? It's because I want you to learn by doing this kind of stuff yourself with what we have used in the past video. So what I mean by that, it's in the first kind of video where we did the like of the photo. You have already learned how to do this pattern. So you have already learned how to do this server side and also in the front end. So this kind of feature, because this is too much too similar between both, I don't want to do like two video for this, two video for that, and that's gonna be almost the same kind of stuff. So for this kind of stuff, I don't want to do video. So that's why I'm jumping on this milestone 6, where this tagging system, I think it can become pretty cool. And why that? It's because, so first thing, we're gonna let the user adding tag. So we're gonna have a many-to-many relationship between tag and photo, because a tag can have many photos and a photo can have many tags. And also what I want to do is I want to do a search feature. So inside the React Native application, we're gonna have a screen where the user can search a tag. So example, if you search a tag for like summer, if you type like example 2-letter SU, we're gonna give him a list of the tag like we think he can like. And so we're gonna make use of the I like feature in Postgres in Ecto. So with this, so the user can search a tag and you're gonna be able to select multiple tags. So the way that's gonna be, that's gonna be kind of a flat list with each element can be clickable, and when you click on it, us in the React Native side, we're gonna save in the state the tag name, so the tag string. And if the tag is select, we're gonna maybe show like a checkbox, something like that. And so this way the user can select example five tag. And what we're gonna do server side is we need to take this list, trim all the string of it, and make sure then all of them are not already in the database. And if not, we create this tag inside the database. So this way we're gonna have just one summer tag and thing like this. So we don't gonna have like a 5 way of writing summer and thing like this. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. So I think this milestone we can learn a lot. So the many-to-many, we have already seen that with the kind of like and thing like this. And no, I don't think that was as many. So I think that maybe gonna be the first one, but we're gonna learn how to do search with AppSign, and I think the search feature is gonna be more like the Ecto side. But yeah, I think that can be pretty nice for everyone. So I hope you enjoy, and I jump on the first video. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.